Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to create that summer beach wave hairstyle after second day hair. I am just going to start out by taking off this scrunchie and showing you guys what we're going to be working with. So what I like to do to bring it back to life is just run a comb through it. So I just like to use a wide tooth comb so that I'm not losing as much hair. So just brushing through it already makes my hair feel a little bit better. If your hair tends to get more oily, then feel free to add dry shampoo at this step. I'm gonna skip the dry shampoo, but today I'm gonna add something else that I feel like my hair really needs. This is Shea Moisture's silicone-free Miracle Styler. It's a leave-in treatment and it has all of these delicious ingredients. Some of these ingredients, to name a few, are sugarcane extract, meadow foam seed oil, and marshmallow root. Why is this making me so hungry right now? Yum! If you notice the texture, it's really creamy, it's really light on the fingertips, and it absorbs very quickly, as you can see. And I really like to use it after it's been 2 days since I've washed my hair. But you can even use it when your hair is damp, so straight out of the shower. But for today's tutorial, this is going to give me some life. I'm gonna spray it right before I apply the heat because I do want to protect the strands from the excess styling that's about to happen. So I just like to kind of rub it through my hands and then just kind of apply it all throughout the hair. Mid to ends is what I prefer. I love how their products smell. And this is the only product I'm gonna be using in this tutorial. So feel free to just add however much you want. I'm just kind of guessing as I go, but I feel like my hair is so thick these days that I need a little extra. So for today's quick beach waves, my hair has finally grown out, yay! I am going to just straighten the roots a little bit because it gets a little kinky. It always looks so good, I'm not joking, when I put this product in my hair right before I style. Like, look at how shiny this looks. All right, so the hair is straight, and now I'm going to use my curling iron. So I believe this is a 1-inch curling iron, and it does have a clasp. I'm gonna use this because I want to get that beachy wave look. So sometimes with a curling wand, it can be a little bit difficult to achieve that. So I like with this, you can just really pull the hair down as you go. So I'm gonna grab really small sections at a time, and you can use it and you can do it in multiple directions. So I'm curling inward, and I'm just going to slide it down like this and slowly release the clamp. And if you wanna pull it a little bit like this, hold it for a few seconds, you can. And then you can always go back over the ends and just kind of like soften it out like that. Same thing, and you're just going to kind of pull it like that. You wanna start mid to end. You wanna start in the middle of the hair, and you don't wanna hold it for too long because you want it to be soft, and then I kind of use the clamp to pull it down as I'm going. So I want these curls to be different sizes, but I want them to be more on the kind of skinnier to medium width curls because I think that's what gives it more of this beachy wave look instead of the big chunky curls. So that's why I'm using a 1-inch. And if you have anything smaller, you can do that too. Just make sure it isn't too hot because sometimes they can start to look too curled. So we just want it to look very effortless. Another trick that I want to show you guys up close is if you twist the hair a little bit, if you really want to get a curl. My hair is really good at holding texture, but if your hair tends to be more flat, you can just give it a little twist and then do the same thing. So you'll just run it through like this, bring it all, hold it for a sec, bring it down, and just pull it, and you just get more of like that curl. Gives it a little bit more of a kink to it. That's just an option. What I've been doing throughout this video, just to show you what I have been doing, is you start from the mid, just twist it and pull it down. And I'm slightly releasing this as I'm going down. So you can. So once I've ran the curling iron through my hair, I like to go back and just make sure that I didn't leave little Billy hanging. Honestly, grab a brush and I'll just immediately, because I'm impatient, just start brushing through it. Just very lightly. I like using a wide tooth comb. I feel like it really brings all the curls home and brings them together in a way. Kind of scratching my scalp at the same time. So if there's any hair strands that you did forget, this is a good way to kind of hide them by brushing through the hair. Alrighty, well, this is my 2018 Summer Beach Waves hairstyle. All right, well, this is the finished look. This is my go-to Summer Beach Waves hair tutorial for 2018. Let me know what you guys think of this look, and special thanks to Shea Moisture for sponsoring this video. I am a huge fan of this line, and I'm glad that I got to show you one of their products that I absolutely love. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.